Haya. Kiwaki. Nyumba muriega. Ni mogojo kebia. Nyumba muriega. You have to answer. Nyumba muriega. Muriega rigi. Ni jimura. Mutirenda gucokia. Tondu mutiramenya kirenda na kwaria. Thank you so much. Thank you for honoring my 30th birthday. Thank you for honoring the invite I gave to all of you. Naona watu wengine nilijaribu kutafuta namba zao, sikuzipata. Nilijaribu sana. Wakaniaru. I really looked for it. I did kabisa. Nadakwaga daugagai. Agikaga ukani wega. Na tondu nioka ni wega. Thank you for coming. Aduaria the moka, thank you. My best friend Wanja. And another one from JCM. Nijuya doiki muno ni monete wiki ino. Nituruite muno na JCM. But I was not fighting JCM. If you look last year, I was fighting somebody else. Somewhere. I always fight for accountability. The Ruaga Ado. Thank you for coming today. Thank you, my TikTok friends. Thank you for coming through for me. I see so many people from TikTok. I see Chicha. I see Wakanieru. I see so many people who from TikTok they came. The comedian family, read by Dada Sara, Nimoy. They don't really like me. They don't like me, but I really appreciate them. I support them so much. You know I do. You know, I'm one person who does not know how to give Mariru. I know how to deliver when it needs to be delivered. Adwaria YouTube. Dinona Kogi, Nondona Zaku. Dikorago na uru na inywe. But I thank you because you came, Zaku and others. Wengine wamenikasirikia, that's fine. Adwa ni aisho gitaneta. TikTokers are all here. I've seen them, so many of them, led by an American fan called Kenem. Etago Ken na area giothe. I appreciate. Adwaria menaga mugithi. I appreciate that Wanja is here. Wajirwa wa yarajira leo jira na bote wake. Thank you King Master, and say my regards to Cindy and everybody else. I know these people may never know. They may never know you. They may never know how we relate. But somehow, you people make me live. MC Chris, thank you so much. You are my family. I know so many of you are wondering or are saying that Githaiga neuga tutam tridima na nikirakuga na clarify, because I know that is what most of you are waiting for. I will say that I will never again, and I want to be categorical, I will never again fight my brother for his political stances. Thank you. Whether you are one term, whether you are two term, Wabui, tell Bishop, he's my brother. Yes. Inimweke brother yako? Yes. Inimweke brother yako? Yes. Do you know where I can get a mentor? I only fight because of my political stances, but never again am I ever fighting a political battle. It does not mean I agree with him. It does not mean I agree with his stances, Wanja. Hata wewe sitakubaliana na stances zako, but I will never again fight you for what you stand for, because you have a reason for that. Omudu kurereda kurugama ni aruga kanate okura mudu arenda kurugama ni ekete arugamire na muthuri ule mutigeire mutiui dana rugama na mutigeire muna mujua wakakango kajara mugi nilisimama na mse And most of you walinikanyaga. And I will never again fight my brother because of their political stances. Never again should we fight because of our political differences. Tumekubaliana hapo. Whether 2 term ama 1 term, we will never again fight because of that stances. Kwina aria majira, kwina ya kumenya rata akwa. Na kuri aria manyendete. Nido maybe I say 1 term or 2 term. Yes. But I love Denzel Otieno than anybody else. Edramenya aria makuire. Edramalirikana. Na dikeda kurugama na aria mamoragire. But I will never stand against my sisters or brothers again because of political stances. I'll never do that. That one I give you for that. I'll never do that. Whether you support Ruto, whether you support Oburu, Ama Kasagwa, I will never again. Chicha, I will never oppose you again because of the political stances. Yeah. That one I had to make it very clear. It does not mean I've said 1 term or 2 term. Ni moi hakwa, ni moi digi, mojui. He ni mojui. Do you know me?
We know you.
Do you know me? You know me well. Digi hota. Ona dageria. Ona deda. Ona deda. Digi hota. Kwaria madigi hota. No rege nikahora wacha. Wanja is my best friend. Nikihora wacha because of what she believes in. I will never do that, Wanja. I'm sorry, and I'll never do that because of what I've seen today. Look at here, wapo you, wapo you. Wapo idimuhureta wiki, no?
Awajania ige, wanaga wajoreko.
Wajoreko.
Tinyaradi. This one. But you see this lady, I've taught her so much this week. If given a chance, I'm US and she is Iran. Nihoe. Nimukanyagite no giwita go watu sui niaroka watu sui nimakanyagite matigihota gukira tikama hora riki nido wa politics. But again, everybody should have their own etigwo wakeri jugeni thegio ni andu aria othe moka kuma kwa wakaniaru nginya kwa mundu wakwa kuu thutha ndikumugweta Tunaiwa Gikuyu nginya kwa Wanja na andu aria othe megoku. I love you all. You are all my family. Priscilla wa nichimu makete tangushi. Kudi digithie kuo koria da unyokete giuma kwa wainga da unyokete giuma kwa wainga. Hey, my microphone is mine. Let me say, Jesu akejoya kiuba wega kwa wainga diga sota kwa yamani deda umuthi niguthute ngoro yenda ngoro ni yenda gwika wega no mwiri ndukoragwo hinya umuthi nindenda gucoka kuria no ngoro ni ekate kwa yamani arega na uyu na horo ucio. But the point is, digaso karege kurwa family yakwa nyedu wa politics. I will support you as a singer, as an artist, and as Aaron Joy. You are very mad at me. I know that. I know you. You've mobilized everybody. Nijui mada kariri ode nikemata regoku mina madari na wika. Rochio kama kanyagata. Rochio. Eso. Wake vilieko. Wake ireko. Rochio. Gamba gasharueko.
Kanyanga kabisa.
Sawa. Nina na Sara 2020. It is beyond our political inclinations. And I appreciate the fact that Dada has appreciated that fact. We know each other before we know each other before Wamunyoro. Kwa Dada I gondwaga uko muthi. Ni undu wa githaiga na kuria rugamite na ikia kuruma. Niki akuruma niki kunyoga ni uwe. Ningeua.
Egira kuicio.
Itiroka. Ole tigira.
Egui.
Kisa boera. Zeda. Ochi kekiri. No rere.
Kukuba client.
Eki hikoke katika hikoke.
Hikoka ta gui.
Adoito. Nedoete. Kahega suho nedoete. Nedoete.
Okaro wako.
Pero mamete na rore. Ne mache kaolu. Ni kafato merema. Potiko matiga. None kafato mere. Ne mache kao. Hauni korega kumera. Hapo sitakosa kuambia. Adoito. Ni mocho kama mukajira Githaiga. Nile nyumba. Kahurira wa asali. Kahurira wa imani. Kahurira Chris. Eko bi Chris. Daira Chris. Tuake nyumba. Adoito mariraga. Kega terere wa asali. Chris. Tushikane. Tusimamiane. Niwega. It is good that we should give back
To the society.
It is good that we should say at least thank you. Kwariama but it is good. I have bitterness in my heart. Nisipoitoa saa hii nitawatukana kesho. Heri niseme saa hii. Epigwa. Chris, I'm hurt. I am hurt from deep down my heart. Not because of politics, but because of my people. My people should have been here with me. They should have been here with me. Wako hapa TikTok, wako TikTok yako yangu kwanza. They are here. They are here watching me. Embarrassed.
Watoshui
ndio kana mete yake. Nani kwa demo rubaga. Kai. Ni sorry. Ina magezono kwa wiki. Na mwenye baboga dunia dufe ine. Moro. Hei ni mwikama.
Amekuja na kuku.
Francis Nyoka. This is what I'm saying. That we should never again. Kwa imani we have. We should never again leave any of us in the suffering corner. Whether you are one term or you are two term, we are one what? One family. TikTokers mko hapa? TikTokers where are you? Nataka kusema TikToker. Mimi hapo TikTokers. TikTokers oye! TikTokers oye! TikTokers oye! Whether Chicha ni Mkisii na Levi ni Mkikuyu, we are all TikTokers. Hakuna kuchaguana. So I will treat you.
Hamujakuja.